So what's up guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an African black soap for a glowing skin. I will try my best to make this video as simple as possible. I will make use of less ingredients. I will make it very simple and very easy so that you can also produce an African black soap at home to use for your skin and make your skin glow. So just watch this video, follow the steps I'll be using. It's not hard, it's very simple, very easy to produce this soap. So over here is my palm kernel oil. I'll be making use of three types of oil. I'll be making use of palm kernel oil, shea butter and coconut oil. My shea butter, I have already melted it, so it won't look hard or thick. It's looking oily because I have melted it on fire already. I'm making use of 50 grams of shea butter, 50 grams of coconut oil, then 500 grams of palm kernel oil. So over here is our sodium silicate. So just watch this video. It's very easy to make. I won't make it complicated. This is a very easy African black soap to produce at home. So I'm making use of ethanol, 120 grams. Note it, I'm making use of ethanol, not methanol, but ethanol. So in this project you can use ethanol or isopropyl alcohol, but don't use methanol. Methanol is too harsh on the skin. So use ethanol or isopropyl alcohol, which is also known as IPA. Then over here is our organic or African black soap ingredients. That is our turmeric powder. This is our sandalwood powder. This is all our African black soap ingredients we'll be using. Then over here is our ascorbic acid. They are very good for the skin. Turmeric powder, sandalwood powder and ascorbic acid. Like I said before, I will make this video very easy. I'm using simple ingredients so you can also produce your own black soap at home. I won't add complicated ingredients, very simple ingredients. Turmeric powder, sandalwood powder and ascorbic acid. Those three ingredients are very good and fantastic for a glowing skin. So over here is our caustic soda solution. It is still very hot. I didn't wait for it to cool down. The solution is still very hot, so I poured that hot solution of our caustic soda into the oil. So in this project, since we'll be cooking this soap, we don't necessarily have to wait for the caustic soda temperature to cool down. Once you mix the caustic soda and the soda looks clear, after you've dissolved it and it looks clear but it's still hot, just pour it into your oil, because we'll be cooking the soap, so there's no point of waiting for the solution to cool down. So I will stir this, and when it gets to a thick trace or a medium trace, I'm going to add my ethanol inside. So I'm going to cook this using a double boiling method. This is how a double boiling method is done. First of all, you put water in a pot or in a basin. Then you place your vessel containing your organic soap inside that water. Then allow the heat of the water to cook the soap. This is how double boiling is done. So I'm using a double boiling method, and double boiling method is the best for this project so that your soap won't get burnt. And also we have ebooks for organic soap formulation. If you wish to venture into the organic formulation world, like organic cream, organic soap, organic scrub, stretch mark cream, all those organic products. If you wish to venture into the production of organic skincare cosmetics, you can do well by reaching us on the number displayed on the screen to purchase the ebook. We have ebook for organic formulations like organic cream, organic soap, all the mulatto whitening, the African black soap, the Moroccan whitening, all those organic productions. If you need an ebook, reach me on the number displayed on the screen to purchase ebook for organic formulation. The ebook has a lot of recipes, formulations, and process on how to produce organic cosmetic products. So this is how the soap looks like. This is a bathing soap, an African black bathing soap. You can use this to take your bath in the morning and in the night. Consistent use of this soap will make your skin have a glowing and shiny and spotless appearance. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video, especially subscribe to the channel so that you'll be updated on our new videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you next time on our next video.